Water performs several functions in the body, and I know you are aware of some of them, but just to mention a few. Water dilutes the blood enough to make it carry nutrients and oxygen throughout the body easily. Water supports digestion, water lubricates the joints, and so much more. Each of these benefits is important, but when you add all of these various benefits, you get the most important benefit of water, which is water keeps every living thing alive. Every living thing is mostly made up of water, and the human body itself is about 60% water. But beyond just being in the body, water keeps every living thing alive. And it does this wonderful job at the microscopic level, the body level, and at the global level. How does water do that? And what other facts can we learn about water that would help us realize how important it is and why we should drink more of it? These are the questions we'll be answering in this video, so stick with us to the end. Welcome once again to Nutritna. We bring you the latest and scientifically accurate news, tips and tricks on how you can attain and maintain good health with the foods you eat. Kindly click subscribe now so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Let's jump right in. Do you know that water is the most abundant molecule on the surface of the earth? About 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water, and it performs several functions that contribute to the survival of every living thing. Two of the most important qualities of water that helps it support life are its ability to absorb and transfer heat, thereby regulating temperature, and its ability to penetrate and dissolve a wide range of substances. The different chemical reactions that happen within cells to keep things alive happen at critical temperature ranges that is very hard to control. Sometimes the reaction requires a high level of heat to even start. At other times, the heat generated by the process is enough to destroy each cell themselves. But the body has several systems in place with which it balances the temperature during those reactions. And those systems rely on the ability of water to penetrate different cellular compartments, as well as its ability to remain liquid over a wide range of temperature. Although this is a summary of what water does at the microscopic level to keep us alive, different systems in the body use water for survival in unique ways. Water also keeps us alive at the body system level as it helps us maintain a fairly constant body temperature, thereby preventing death due to dehydration. When the surrounding temperature becomes too hot, the body sends more water towards the surface of the skin to release excess heat into the environment. Water also cools the body when it is secreted in the form of sweat, and internal heat is also released as water vapor from the lungs. Now you should ask, how does water keep us alive at the global level? Well, first, water plays a critical role in the regulation of Earth's climate. If you don't know, the water that evaporates from the surface of the Earth rises into the atmosphere where it forms clouds that reflect incoming solar radiation back into space, thereby helping to cool the planet. And it also absorbs and stores heat, which helps to stabilize temperatures and prevent extreme weather events like heat waves and droughts. And all of these wonderful life-sustaining benefits of water can go on and on. But I hope the little we've said helps you understand how essential water is to the survival of every living thing. So when next you think of water, don't see it as a tasteless liquid. Instead, see it as the most important ingredient to your survival. Now let's go on to some amazing and uncommon facts about water that would probably make you realize how much you need to take more of it. 1. The amount of water in men is slightly higher than that in women. So men need to drink more water. And this is because men generally have less body fat and higher energy expenditure. 2. Adults lose about 10% of the water in their body daily. Although the exact amount of water lost daily is different for different individuals, and it's also affected by different factors such as age, climate, weight, physical activity, and much more. But because we are constantly replenishing, we do not really feel the negative impact of this loss. 3. Body pain is sometimes a sign of dehydration. Water acts as a cushion for most body tissues, including the joints and muscle. But when you are dehydrated, water is pulled out of those tissues, which causes overall body aches and pain. So next time you are experiencing back pain, try drinking some water first before going for the pack of medicine. 4. Older adults lose more water but feel less thirsty. The older you get, the more water you lose on a daily basis, even from little physical activities. Despite that, your body loses its ability to detect that it's dehydrating. So, it's advisable to drink more water even if you don't feel thirsty. 5. Even water can be taken in excess. When you drink excess water, which is known as overhydration, it can affect every part of the body and lead to conditions like high blood pressure, low heart rates, seizure, going into a coma, or even dying. So, find the right water balance for yourself and stick with it. And lastly, although the Earth's surface is made up of about 70% water, only about 3% of it is fresh and only about 0.4% of that is usable. This is because the vast majority of water on Earth is salt water, which contains so much salt that would further dehydrate a person when consumed. And a larger percent of the 3% fresh water is still locked up in polar ice caps and inaccessible for use. So, learn to appreciate every drop of water that you get your hands on and try to drink more water like your life depends on it, because truly, your life depends on it. So let me ask this. Do you have any tip for drinking more water? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video interesting, kindly like and share with others. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified every time we drop new videos. Wait, check out some of our other videos here. You'll find them beneficial.